You don't need to go viral to start making money on TikTok. In this video, I'm gonna show you the secret hack top creators use to make money on TikTok today. You need to try this now before everyone else starts catching on. TikTok is the fastest growing social media platform, perfect for growing your audience. But why is it so effective? TikTok allows the audience to find content they are interested in by pushing content based on their behavior. What does this mean to you? The algorithm boosts your visibility, making it easier to reach more people. TikTok offers a lot of monetization programs: Creator Fund, Creativity Program, and TikTok Creator Marketplace. You can live stream and receive virtual gifts, and your followers can send you tips. These are great, but there are limitations. You need 10,000 followers, meet the required watch time, and have good follower engagement. These restrictions can make it very challenging to start earning. Engagement is your currency to join the monetization program. The key here is to keep your audience engaged. But what is the fastest and easiest way to keep your followers engaged while making money? It's paid online challenges. TikTok users love challenges, dance challenges, transition challenges, cooking challenges, creativity challenges, personal development, you name it. Everyone loves participating in challenges because they're fun and they're engaging. So inviting people to join is pretty easy. But these trends come and go. And most importantly, there is no way for you to track and earn money directly from the challenge. What you can do is use free platforms like Nas.io. If you go to nas.io/TikTok challenge and sign up for a free community, you can use all these tools for your TikTok challenge. Just create your challenge, explain what it's about, and add a photo. Once you publish, you will have a landing page that looks like this. Your participants can download the app to join the challenge and track their progress when it starts. For example, if you're a design expert, you can create a 30-day creativity challenge where participants have to complete the exercises that will boost their creativity on a due date. Using Nas.io, they can upload photos or complete a check-in, and you can easily track their progress. And here is how you can use TikTok to promote your challenge and get participants. Use your TikTok account to generate buzz by creating a series of teaser videos that build anticipation and explain what the challenge is all about. Create a reel to announce your online challenge and put the link in your bio as a call to action. Go live to directly interact with your followers, answer their questions, and highlight the benefits of joining your challenge. Then, offer an enticing award. People love rewards. It makes the challenge even more worth it. Knowing there's a prize at the end, along with personal transformation, encourages more people to join and pay. This could be anything from an all-expense paid vacation to a high-tech gadget. Partnering with brands for sponsorships can help you offer more attractive prizes. So, how is 10K possible with this online challenge? With Nas.io, you can create a paid online challenge, and your participants can easily pay through the link to join. The goal here is to get as many participants as you can, so make sure you come up with a very good launch strategy and promotions. If your challenge costs $10 for participation, get as many as 1,000 participants. But if you're doing a premium challenge with higher rewards, you can charge even $100 fee, and you only need 100 people to join your challenge. Paid online challenges are the newest and fastest way to monetize. If you're wondering if anyone has done this before, here is Waiko Ankur's Hustle 100 challenge. With more than 2,000 participants ready to take on his challenge to create their first $100 online. And check out the other challenges these creators made. So, if you're ready to make your first 10K on TikTok, create your paid challenge now and bring as many people on board as possible. I'm really excited to see all these transformation stories from your challenges. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online.